Now find the equation of the plane through 1 4 minus 2 which is parallel to the plane minus 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 7. Now let us go this with the Cartesian form. Okay. Now let minus 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 7 be equation 1. Now any plane parallel to 1 is given by minus 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to k. Now, since plane 2 passes through now this passes through which one 1 comma 4 comma minus 2, therefore minus 2 with 1 plus 4 minus 3 with minus 2 is equal to k. Substituting in equation 2. Now this becomes minus 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to k, and this implies k is equal to 8. Now substituting value of k in equation 2, minus 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 8. Sorry, required equation is minus 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 8 is the answer.